The time has come that we all been waiting for. Let's get paid off with them YouTube shorts. Here we go. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is dive into your device. If you don't have an iPhone, you're obviously tripping. But nonetheless, you go into the App Store, you download the YouTube Studio application. When it pops up, you're going to use this button that you probably haven't used in a while. It is called Earn at the bottom right. You press that Earn button and you will see yours will not look like this. It will say that you need to become a partner. And it's going to ask you to review some questions. You're going to watch page ads. You're going to turn those things on. You're going to go to short feed ads. And when you go there, you're going to be able to just quickly review two things. They only have 2 prompts. You click the 2 prompts. You go through those things. I mean, it's super straightforward. All they're going to ask you is, do you agree to let people run ads on your videos? Are you using original content? And they go over the criteria of what it takes to start getting paid from these shorts. So as you see, our revenue doesn't look that good, but once they start paying us February 1st for the shorts, everything from here is going to be amazing. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We almost at 150,000 subscribers for more.